Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your bankruptcy skills with Upsolve, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the core principles of bankruptcy. Research the types of bankruptcy available, such as Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Familiarize yourself with the eligibility requirements for filing each type. Visit the Upsolve website to access their free resources designed for those navigating bankruptcy. Create an account on Upsolve to unlock additional tools and features. Take the time to read through the tutorials provided. Watch instructional videos that outline the bankruptcy filing process in detail. Engage with interactive guides that offer real-life scenarios. Utilize the step-by-step bankruptcy filing software provided by Upsolve. Gather your financial documents, including income statements and debts. Input your financial information into the Upsolve software as prompted. Review the interactive worksheets to ensure accuracy and completeness. Seek clarification on any complex terms or processes through Upsolve's community forum. Consult the blog section for tips and personal stories from individuals who have successfully gained financial relief. Participate in webinars hosted by Upsolve for personal insights and expert advice. Stay updated on changes in bankruptcy laws to refine your skills and knowledge. Practice your skills by using the available mock filing tools. Simulate different bankruptcy scenarios to enhance your understanding. Network with other users in the Upsolve community to exchange experiences and strategies. Explore additional financial literacy resources on the website. Apply your newly acquired skills by helping others who may be facing bankruptcy. Reflect on your progress periodically to determine areas for further development. Consider seeking legal advice to complement your knowledge and ensure you are well prepared. Commit to continuous learning by revisiting Upsolve's resources regularly as they update their offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.